Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk A50, and now I will unbox this device and I'll show you what we have in the box, and which is the complete of this graphic tablet, what we have and what we need to use it. So let's open it. So as you can see, I have used Veikk tablet, but graphic tablets is the devices that we can't damage too much to make the using of this device impossible, or I don't know, we need to damage this panel or buttons, but it's not too easy to do. So in normal using, it's impossible. And so here we have the tablet, and it's really big. And here we have the USB-C cable to normal USB-A. And here we have the pencil. Here we have the pen, Veikk pen. This is the batteryless pen. And that's it. No, we need to have other accessories. Wait a while. I know we have something here, so we need to open it. Yeah, great. So as you can see, here we have great tools. So here we have the tool to change nibs, and here we have the nibs, and here we have the adapter to, I don't know, wait a while. I need to try. Okay. This is the adapter for the MacBook or for Android or iOS devices to connect it. And here we have micro USB to connect to the Android devices. For example, this part of cable you need to connect to the tablet, and this part of cable you need to connect to the power source, to the PC. For example, if you have the MacBook, you have no USB-A inputs, so you need to use this adapter, and now you can connect it to the MacBook. Great! So it's very good when we have this type of adapters in the complete. So let's check the tool to change nibs. So it's just normal tool to nibs changing. It's really simple. So just make it in this way. It's really easy to do. So as you can see, we have the tool to change nibs, we have the adapters, we have the tablet and the power cable. So as you can see, the tablet is really big. Here we have the buttons, two normal buttons, two buttons with the line. Here we have two buttons with line 2 and two normal buttons. And here we have, it looks like a touch screen. Maybe not screen, but touch panel, touchpad, okay. Here we have serial number, model, and on this side we have the, as you can see, USB cable, USB-C connector, and here we have the power button, so we can power off it or power on. So great, that's it. It's all we have in the box with the Veikk A50. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.